So, you want to be an ethical hacker but you don't know how to start? Then you are on right place. Yo, what's up guys, Wish here back with another video. So in this video we'll be talking about a channel named Technical Navigator who creates amazing and fantastic content about ethical hacking. I really appreciate his hard work, that's why I'm creating this video. So it is request to my all the subscribers family, please go and subscribe to his channel. The link to it will be given down below in the description. Recently he created an amazing video called Motivational Speech for Hacker that was seriously mind-blowing. While creating this video he just now uploaded a new video. Yes, right now he just uploaded a new video. Even he never did any clickbait to his video. I don't know what's wrong with YouTube. He's doing lot of hard work. He's doing lot of hard work than other YouTube channels, than me. But then also YouTube doesn't promote his channel. I don't know why. But don't worry Nitesh, we are with you. We'll help you to grow your channel. Even he personally helped me a lot when I was getting some errors in Kali Linux. Trust me guys, he is super talented and knowledgeable person. So help him to grow his channel. Go on ahead and subscribe to his channel. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. I hope you'll go and subscribe to his channel. That's all for this video. This is Suresh and I'm signing out.